Okay, welcome everybody. This is your D&T Monster Challenge. This is the challenge we set you for the remainder of this summer term. This is the challenge you'll find in the study zone, and it's really important that you read through this document here. Okay, so you'll see you've got up to 19 slides you need to be working through. That will give you the information you need to have to complete this challenge to the best of your ability, really. Now, if you work through these different pages here, you'll see it'll give you information to complete each of the slides in your pupil booklet. Okay, so you can see you've got slide 5 here, which will give you the sort of starter tasks. This is a research task we expect you to start on first, creating a mind map, questionnaire, and just sort of explaining your findings here in the summary. Now, if you look here, you'll see your Monster Challenge pupil booklet is where you're going to download your work, and this is the booklet we want you to submit later on, which I'm going to show you next. So this is page 1 of your document. So just a simple page, name and form in here. On the first page is your mind maps. This is where we expect you to sort of get some ideas of themes that you're interested in and link it to the sort of monster design you want to have. You can see the top here has got, think about the following: color, shape, user, materials, theme, etc. So you're looking to sort of explain what you think your monster is going to look like, what sort of colors you could use, what shapes you could use, how many eyes you want your monster to have, that sort of thing. On the next page then, simple questionnaire. So the questionnaire is something we'd like you to sort of ask the people at home with you. Now, the questionnaire is something you can sort of use to find out information about other people's opinions on monsters, what they think a monster looks like, what they think the most popular colour is. So use this to sort of help guide you and give you a chance to think about what you want your monster to look like as well. We've got another slide here, which is your summary of the research. So you just sum up what you've learned, what you found from the questionnaires, what information you're going to use to actually design your own monster. Okay, you can include pictures of monsters as well, which will give you an extra idea of what you could use in your own monster. Specification. Now, you've done specifications many times in design and technology before. The specifications will give you an idea of what you think you should include in your monster design. Okay, so the example we've got here, my monster will have 25 eyes. It will be a rainbow coloured monster, so you can include a picture here if you wanted to as well. So just to give an overview of what you expect your monster to look like, what shape your monster. Maybe you're going to have spiky hair, long hair, short hair, whatever you want to have in it. This is where you sort of include that information in your specification. Mood board. The mood board is quite an easy one to do. It's just creating some images, some ideas of themes that you want to include. So you could have a few images of blue monsters. You could have some monsters with multiple eyes, or 1 eye, 2 eyes, 3 eyes, 4 eyes, whatever